Good morning, students. Welcome back to the next session of the series 26, when 0.025 gram of sodium sulfate is dissolved in 10 to the power of 3 kg, 1000 kg of solution. Its concentration will be all given answers in parts per million, ppm, parts per million. So all given in parts per million. So that formula would be parts per million of the component A is equal to mass of component A divided by total mass of solution into 10 to the power of 6. So parts per million of component A is equal to mass of component A is given as 0.025 grams, 0.025 gram of sodium sulfate is a component A, and the mass of total mass of solution they have given as a solution is given in 10 to the power of 3 kg. That means 1000 10 to the power of 3 into 10 to the power of 6. So when the 10 to the power of 3 denominator will go to the numerator value becomes minus 3. So 0.025 into 10 to the power of 6 into 10 to the power of minus 3 will get 0.025 into 10 to the power of 3. So that is 0.025 into 1000. So we'll get a 25 parts per million. 25 parts per million is the correct answer. The ratio of the value of any colligative property of K4 FeCN6 to that of Fe4 FeCN6, 3 solutions nearly. This is potassium hexacyanoferrate 2 because it is anionic complex. So in anionic complex means 8 central metal ion should be ended by 8. So iron is ferrate. So the coordination number of 6 and outside 4 difference is 2 is the oxidation number of central metal ion. So potassium hexacyano, or we can say cyanido, paka answer cyanido Kc ferrate 2 to that of iron 3 hexacyanido Kc iron 2. This is the formula for Fe4 FeCN6 3 times. So that is iron 3 hexacyanoferrate 2 we can say, or we can say iron 3 hexacyanido Kc. Cyano means no need to write Kc. Cyanido means Kc is C is the donor atom, and here ferrate, it is an anionic complex, ferrate 2. So the percentage is given this values. Want a factor for a K4 FeCN6 for potassium. This complex is 1, so it is totally 5. For K plus and FeCN6 4 minus, totally 5. Want a factor for Fe4 FeCN6 thrice, 4 Fe3 plus and 3 times FeCN6. So totally 4 plus 3, 7. So ratio of colligative property is nothing but 5 by 7 equal to 0.7. 500 ml of 0.2 m solution has 200 milliliter of water added to it. What is the new molarity of this solution? All the answers are given in capital letter M, molarity. So molarity and volume, concentration M as well as volume is given. So M1 0.2, volume is 500 ml. And here it is a volume V2 is given, molarity concentration is not given. So M2 is not given. So V2 200 ml, 200 ml is added so to this 500 ml. So 200 ml plus 500 ml, we are getting 700 ml for a second volume. So M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. M2 only to be calculated. M1 value is 0.2, V1 value is 500, M2 into 700 after adding 200. So M2 is equal to 0.2 into 500 divided by 700. This 2 0 and this 2 0s get cancelled. 0.7 into 5, 10 by 7 we are getting, 1, not 10, no, this 0.2 into 5 is a 1 by 7 is nothing but 0.14 m. 0.14 m is the correct answer. Depression and freezing point of 1 m urea, 1 m glucose and 1 m sodium chloride in the ratio. It is 1 molarity of the urea, 1 molarity of glucose and 1 molarity of sodium chloride. We know this 1 m urea is non-electrolyte 1. Glucose is non-electrolyte 1. Sodium chloride 2, Na and Cl 2. So 1:1:2. So I is equal to N is equal to I is equal to, here NaCl2 ions, I is equal to 2. So for non-electrolyte, it is urea and glucose, I is equal to 1, N is equal to 1. And it is electrolyte of sodium chloride 2 ions. So 1:2. Last set of this series. Which of them is not equal to 0 for an ideal solution? Very, very important question. V delta V mix, delta P is equal to pressure absorbed minus pressure of Raoult's, and delta H mix and delta S mix. For an ideal solution, learn this, please by heart this. Delta V mix is 0, delta H mix is 0 and delta S is not equal to 0. That means it's greater than 0. So it is not equal to 0. Delta S is not equal to 0. Delta H mix is equal to 0. Delta V mix is equal to 0. And this mixture is equal to 0 for a ideal solution. So delta S only entropy. This is entropy and this is volume. This is enthalpy. So entropy, the change is not equal